Let's go. I ain't got time for it. Oh shit, here she goes. But for some reason, she think I called the cops on her. Yeah, that's a female driven too. Hey, good morning, everybody. What's up? It's your boy Q. You know, back with another video. Thank y'all for kicking it with your boy Q. Today, if I sound tired, my voice sound got that Barry White going because I just woke up, long night last night. Had a ugly Christmas sweater party at one of my coworkers' house. Then after that, we went by one of our friends' house, so we can get home like 1 o'clock in the morning. And I'm tired. So anyway, now it's the next day. I'm actually about to go get some pictures of the Camaro right here taken with my guy 13Z01. Y'all seen him before. I'm not gonna have time to wash the Camaro, unfortunately. I gotta leave here in like 30 minutes. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do like a quick wash off, basically with some water, towels, and waterless car wash spray. That's all I'm gonna do. I guess we'll go ahead and get y'all cold start. I'm gonna move the car out in the driveway here.
Always have a vision, I go by at night. I be in my feelings, I'ma be fine. Need time and I'll soon be winning. I live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I go by at night, I be in my feelings, I'ma be fine.
Don't hear some. It's funny though, because when we're walking, he always walks into your driveway like it's our house.
Oh, does he?
And I'm like, dog. Oh, stop it.
Have a good one.
Boy, demon.
I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready.
Guys, so we linked up with Caden here. Man, his freaking car is beautiful and orange, bro. And here we go, these low hills. See, in red, I could just go right off the dang edge, but in this, you gotta go slow. But man, his freaking Camaro, bro, it's so low and wide, guys. Look at this thing, bro. Like, for real, for real. Sheesh, my boy. Man, all these potholes, not potholes, but like gutter holes. And this car is ridiculous. You know, there's nothing to about having a manual. Trying to drive with one hand is pretty tough. But yeah, his thing, look at that thing. Dang, that's a good looking car, bro. Oh, he coming down here on the side of the track. Oh, okay. Oh, you know, this is a road? What? That stop sign right here. This is kind of crazy. Dang, that joint nasty, boy. Anyway, guys, yeah, so we linked up to take some pictures, man. Get some more pictures of the Camaro, because I actually haven't had any in a while. We got rollers last time, but I wanted some stills, you know. So, yeah, we about to park. Ooh, this is a nice spot. Nice spot. I like this. All right, guys, so this is Caden ZL1. This thing, oh, it's locked. You must got the keys on. I'm gonna get inside. I gotta drive this thing one time, bro. Feel the difference in power. This is kind of what I do, honestly, on my weekends. I usually go straight to YouTube content for the most part. And so Monday through Friday, I'm working and doing YouTube. And then on the weekends, I usually do a lot of filming. Like most of my videos are shot on the weekends. Yeah, you really don't get no rest doing the YouTube stuff, man. Cause like on the days off, you gotta make sure the channel running. Then on normal 9 to 5, you're working. So, you know, it's a constant go. But anyway, Caden is like somewhere behind the trash can. I'm trying to get this picture, bro. Yeah, the Camaro looking good, man. This is gonna be some good pictures, I can tell you that for sure. All right, guys, so we finished Camaro for this spot. Caden's gonna get some shots of his really quick. This thing is a beauty. The eyes on this thing, bro. Yes, sir. Look at it, man. This thing looks so good, like so good, bro. So he got a pretty sick idea of how he's gonna do this next shot. Unfortunately, we gotta block the whole road to do it. Yeah, that's gonna be. You want my wheel turned too? Yeah. All right. You want me to close the door? Oh, you trying to see? So I'm gonna be here, over here, and then he's gonna be here, back. That's gonna be pretty lit, pretty sick shot for sure. It's crazy, like some people like Caden, bro, like I'm telling y'all, everybody got God-given talent. It's cold as heck out here, by the way. It's like 30 degrees, guys. Everybody got God-given talent. He got an eye, like he can see it and just know where to put it and do it, you know what I'm saying? So that's gonna be pretty cool.
I wanna go more
you wanna
this
go
way, but if I go more that way, I'm gonna be blocking both lanes.
Oh yeah. Cause I'm gonna be about right here.
Yeah.
Well, no, I mean, huh? Yeah, they can make it if you leave it like that, but you don't like the shot? I mean, you could come over maybe like to this leaf right here. Maybe. maybe, just a tad. It hasn't been a lot of traffic anyway, so. Yeah, it hasn't been, yeah.
Can they make that?
Huh?
You think they can make that?
Yeah. I mean, it depends on what comes through. If it's a car, absolutely. A truck, oh yeah, this is enough. Red could fit through here just fine.
Like you did, just in case.
All right. I get to try the ZL1. I got the ZL1 keys. All right, guys, so this is how we got the shot right now. That's gonna be a dope picture, bro. Ooh, wee. I don't know, I'm trying to get out of the shot. Man, that's gonna be nasty, guys. I gotta get some reels of this one, bro. I know, right? All right, guys, so we just moved to the second location. Let me get the shot. It's a nice little backdrop right here for sure. I like the building. That's a nice building, the gray and white contrast on it. Yeah, that's pretty dope. So we were just right here in the alley, and now we just came down here to this. This is a one-lane road, so anyway, hopefully nobody comes down here. Man, so y'all just kind of get to see what's going on behind the scenes, what kind of goes into all this. Man, that's a huge building. I need that. I need to get the 14, actually. Sheraton Hotel. And we like middle of downtown Dallas right now, pretty much. You got Dallas High School. Oh, it's a high school right here. Is this functional? Little people in there. You know, it's a high school right there. You got the DART train system that comes literally right through here. So, yeah, it's a cool spot. Get some cool photos. I want to really do like a takeoff down here. Like, see how loud this thing is?
A few moments later.
She is tweaking. She will not leave us alone. Like, we just try to take pictures. She just keeps talking. She's saying that I'm harassing her. We harass her. We literally just sitting there chilling. Hey, let's go, bro. We good. Let's go. Let's go. I ain't got time for it.
Where to go, man?
Oh, shit, here she goes.
Don't get close.
Try not to leave Kaden behind because she is tweaking. But for some reason, she think I called the cops on her. Kaden is patient, I'm gonna be honest with you, because I'm like, bro, let's go, man. I ain't got time to be messing with no people down here in Dallas. She will not leave this man alone. Nope, here she comes again. Kaden is not getting in his car. Bro, get in your car, Kaden, so we can go. She still won't leave this man alone. I don't want to leave her back here because I don't know how much people be tripping. She all close and stuff, man. And like, I know she homeless and all that, but she is like tweaking. Like, we was literally taking pictures, guys. Look, she's still yelling. Guys, so we moved around after the lady was just tweaking on us. Oh my God, bro. I don't like filming stuff like that. I don't know if I'm putting a video, I might, but it's just sad, you know what I'm saying, to see people like that kind of outside their mind. Like they just really don't know. Like, their mind is literally telling them something is going on. She basically was accusing me or us of calling the cops on her, and she, like, people was telling, she like, you just said, when you never said nothing to her. And she was just, oh man, that's kind of crazy. But anyway, we're at the other spot. Kaden running around through traffic. This is a beautiful water fountain right here. It says, whoever drinks of the water that I shall give him shall never thirst, but the water that I shall give him shall become in him a well of water springing up to eternal life. John 4:14 is what that is. Pretty cool view right here. Nice, cool backdrop of the building. This building like purple. I just realized that. Yeah. Every time I think about selling this car, guys, for real, I look at it one time and I just can't sell it. I'm just like, bro, look at this thing. You know, like, look at it. It's like a freaking Batmobile, man. Like, and then the dark tinted windows. She just looks good, bro. Oh, we got a 350Z coming down. See if I can get him to rev that thing one time. Oh, yeah, that thing clean. Yeah, that's a female driven too. walk across the street and show y'all this. Pretty cool, man. That's the thing about the photo shoots too. You kind of get to see the most like cinematic places. You know what I'm saying? Like, because you always looking for good scenery. So good shot downtown. Hey, it's your boy Q. I'll catch y'all next. Peace.
I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take me for granted and you know I'm leaving. I'ma take what's mine with the webs I'm weaving. I could take this crowd from seeing to believing. Got a taste for blood and my tongue keeps bleeding. From the words I spit, so sharp, so freezing. So cold, behold, frostbite they feeling. I could tear you apart or I could go heal them. Don't believe in fate, don't believe in ceilings. I just need it.